How to change profile picture in Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture. First of all, open the application. Now, on the right bottom, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now, on the top, you can see View Profile. Simply tap on View Profile. So these are the profile settings. Now, here on the right top, you can see this Edit button. Simply tap on this Edit button. Now, on the top, you'll be able to see Profile Photo. So simply tap on it. Now you can directly take a photo or choose from gallery. So here I'm choosing from gallery. Now you can select any of the images here. So you can even crop and adjust whichever image you want. At last, simply tap on this tick button. So it will take some time, and as you can see, my profile picture has been updated, so other friends and other people can view the same one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.